Samsung isn't wasting any time with its next big flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the latest leaks suggest we're in for some major shakeups. While some of these changes might sound surprising, they all seem to align with Samsung's broader strategy of innovation, efficiency, and user-focused improvements. If these rumors turn out to be true, the S26 Ultra could be one of the most exciting smartphones in years, pushing the boundaries of what a flagship device can offer. One of the biggest surprises in the leaked reports is that Samsung might be moving away from a 4-camera setup to just 3. At first glance, this may seem like a downgrade, but there's a much bigger picture at play. Samsung is reportedly bringing back variable aperture technology, something we last saw on the Galaxy S9 series. This feature allows a single camera sensor to adjust its aperture, making it more adaptable in different lighting conditions. If executed properly, this could eliminate the need for an additional sensor while maintaining, if not improving, image quality. Computational photography and AI enhancements have come a long way, and Samsung has been heavily investing in software-driven imaging solutions. Removing one lens in favor of an advanced variable aperture system could simplify the camera array while improving performance. Reports suggest that Samsung is also upgrading the periscope zoom camera with a 200-megapixel sensor, allowing for clearer and more detailed long-range shots. If true, this would be a massive leap forward, possibly setting a new standard for smartphone zoom technology. Another major change that fans have been eagerly waiting for is the return of Bluetooth functionality to the S Pen. Samsung made a controversial decision to remove Bluetooth support from the S25 Ultra stylus, and the backlash was immediate. A petition demanding its return started with just a few hundred signatures, but quickly gained traction, proving just how valuable this feature was to users. Fortunately, Samsung seems to have listened. The S26 Ultra's S Pen is expected to bring Bluetooth back, restoring beloved features such as remote camera controls, air gestures for navigation and media playback, and advanced handwriting recognition powered by AI. While it remains unclear if Samsung will introduce new Bluetooth-powered functionalities, even the return of previous capabilities will be a welcome addition for longtime S Pen users. The stylus has always been one of the defining features of the Ultra lineup, and bringing back Bluetooth ensures that it remains a powerful tool for productivity, creativity, and convenience. Battery life has always been a major talking point when it comes to flagship smartphones, and Samsung appears to be making bold moves in this department. The company is rumored to be testing stacked battery technology, which could push the S26 Ultra's capacity beyond 5,500 mAh. Some reports even suggest that Samsung is experimenting with silicon-carbon battery technology, which could take the capacity up to an incredible 7,000 mAh. This would be a groundbreaking development, as battery life remains one of the biggest concerns for power users. With competitors like Chinese smartphone brands already adopting advanced battery technology, it makes sense for Samsung to keep up and possibly even surpass them. If Samsung successfully implements these advancements, the S26 Ultra could deliver industry-leading battery performance, allowing for longer gaming sessions, extended video streaming, and all-day usage without worrying about running out of power. However, another area that Samsung desperately needs to improve is charging speed. While brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi offer charging speeds of 80 watts, 100 watts, or even higher, Samsung has stubbornly stuck to 45 watts wired charging. With such a massive battery, users will need significantly faster charging speeds to make the most of it. If Samsung finally steps up its charging game, the S26 Ultra could be one of the most practical flagship phones on the market. The display is another area where Samsung is expected to make major improvements. Samsung already produces some of the best smartphone screens in the world, but the S26 Ultra might push the limits even further. According to reliable leaks, the S26 Ultra could feature even thinner bezels than its predecessor, allowing for a nearly 7-inch display without increasing the phone's overall size. This would make it the first mainstream flagship to feature such a large screen while maintaining a manageable form factor. The panel itself is expected to use Samsung's latest AMOLED technology, with an even higher peak brightness and improved HDR performance. Whether it's gaming, streaming, or multitasking, this display is expected to offer one of the most immersive visual experiences available on a smartphone. Some early rumors suggested that Samsung might finally introduce an under-display camera for the front-facing camera, but recent leaks indicate that Samsung will likely stick with a traditional punch-hole design. The reason is simple: performance. While under-display cameras sound futuristic and offer a seamless screen experience, they still haven't matched the quality of conventional selfie cameras. Samsung isn't willing to compromise on image quality just yet, so for now, it looks like the S26 Ultra will retain a standard front camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra exclusively used Snapdragon 8 Elite across all models, a move widely praised due to Exynos' history of overheating and inefficiency. However, reports suggest that Exynos might make a comeback in the Galaxy S26 Ultra with a next-gen Exynos 2600. Samsung is working on improved fabrication processes, but will it be enough to win back consumer trust? Only time will tell. With a redesigned and more advanced camera system, the return of Bluetooth to the S Pen, a massive battery upgrade, and a potential 7-inch industry-leading display, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most exciting flagships in years. The combination of hardware advancements and software-driven improvements suggests that Samsung is focusing on refining the user experience rather than making changes for the sake of novelty. However, as exciting as these upgrades sound, the big question remains: will this be enough to convince users to upgrade? With smartphone innovation slowing down in recent years, many consumers are holding on to their devices longer than before. Samsung will need to make sure that the S26 Ultra offers truly compelling features to justify an upgrade from previous models. Beyond hardware, software will also play a crucial role. Samsung has been integrating more AI-driven features into its smartphones, and the S26 Ultra is expected to take this even further. Whether it's improved camera AI, smarter battery optimization, or enhanced voice assistance, Samsung's AI-powered innovations could set this phone apart from the competition. Additionally, there's growing speculation that Samsung might introduce new AI-powered customization options, allowing users to personalize their devices in ways that weren't possible before. At the end of the day, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerhouse of a smartphone. But will it be the game-changing device that fans have been hoping for, or will it be another incremental upgrade that plays it safe? That's the question that only time and Samsung's final product can answer. Either way, the S26 Ultra is likely to be one of the most talked about phones of the year, and fans will be eagerly waiting to see if Samsung delivers on the hype. If these rumors hold true, we could be looking at one of the most refined and powerful flagship smartphones ever created. The future of the Ultra lineup is taking shape, and it's going to be exciting to see how it all unfolds. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra? Are you excited for the Ultra variant or waiting for something else like the Edge? Let us know it down below in the comments section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until next time, take care.